Hey everyone, it's Michael Klepik again. Get ready for another super exciting story about baghouses. Yes, today we're diving into shaker baghouses. What is a shaker baghouse? A shaker baghouse is one of the three most common types of industrial dust collection systems, along with jet pulse and reverse air baghouses. Shaker baghouses use a mechanical process driven by an electric motor to shake the dust from the filter bags. This typically happens when the machine is turned off for cleaning. The bags are suspended at the top and attached to a tube sheet at the bottom, without an internal cage. Shaker systems use round or envelope-shaped bags made of woven fabric, which work best for larger particles and environments that don't have very high temperatures. These bags usually have diameters of 4 to 8 inches and lengths ranging from 10 inches to several hundred. One of the critical aspects of shaker baghouses is the air-to-material ratio, which is typically between 2.01 and 2.5.1 for optimal performance. How do shaker baghouses work? It's pretty straightforward. Air is sucked in from the bottom, and dust particles are captured on the inside of the bags. Clean air then exits through the top. Over time, dust accumulates on the bags, forming a layer called dust cake, which is removed through the shaking process. After the bags are shaken, the dust falls down into the hopper located at the bottom of the system. It's not unlike shaking out a dirty floor mat at home. In some smaller systems, the cleaning can even be done manually to save costs. Pros and cons of shaker baghouses. Let's start with the downsides. Shaker baghouses can take up more space than other systems, and you need to clean them on a strict schedule. They also require more frequent maintenance and are not as effective with higher temperatures or smaller dust particles. Plus, they don't last as long as jet pulse or reverse air systems. But here's the upside. They're the most economical option when it comes to energy consumption. They use far less power than other types of baghouses, making them a great choice if you're looking to save on energy costs. Some companies have also addressed the traditional limitations of shaker systems with more innovative designs. For instance, Torch Air's Vortex Vibro OP combines the benefits of a shaker baghouse with new technologies to improve efficiency. This system doesn't require an enclosure and doesn't need to be powered off for cleaning during operation. It handles fine dust, allows air to flow freely, and can withstand temperatures up to 536 degrees. Shaker baghouse costs. Let's talk money. The cost of a shaker baghouse can vary widely. Small systems can cost a few $1,000s, while medium-sized ones might range from $8,000 to $70,000. Custom-designed systems, with advanced features and specialized parts, can cost anywhere from slightly more than a standard model to millions of dollars, depending on the complexity. The great news is that modern designs, like Torch Air's Vortex Vibro Big Baghouse, are highly adaptable, which helps reduce costs. This system operates at 5,000 to 120,000 CFM and can be customized to meet specific factory needs. It's a closed system, protecting the bags from damage and contaminants, and it can be used both indoors and outdoors. This versatility allows it to offer considerable long-term savings. Features of Torch Air's Vortex Vibro Big Baghouse. Let's go over some of the key benefits of this advanced shaker baghouse. Easy to control and maintain. The system is simple to operate, even for non-experts. Modular design. This allows for scalable power by adding more modules as needed. Handles up to 50 ppm dust loads. Temperature resistant. It can manage air temperatures up to 300 degrees. Quick installation. The large node, bolt-mounted assembly, can be set up using basic instructions, with no need for professional welding or complex setups. Space-saving design. It requires less room than a typical shaker baghouse. Customizable parts. You can add maintenance hatches, doors, and other elements to make servicing easier. Factors affecting shaker dust collector costs. When budgeting for a shaker baghouse, it's important to consider both upfront and long-term costs. The initial investment covers the purchase and installation of the system, while long-term costs include energy consumption, replacing worn parts, and any required testing. Several factors can influence the overall cost of your system: the type of contamination in your facility, the number of modules required, the airflow velocity in